How to place products in eBay. Now if you want to place your product in eBay, just simply create an eBay account and then tap to these three vertical lines from the top right corner. Tap in there and after that tap to sell button. After tapping to the sell button, you will be in this page. Tap to list an item and after that you just simply need to tell eBay what your product is. For example, let's say shoes, and after that tap to search button. Now, after searching for shoes, you can have matching shoes that you would like to sell, or you can have a different one. In that case, just simply tap to continue without match. Now, you need to select the condition of your shoe or any product that you are selling or listing, and after that tap to continue. Now, in this page, fill out all of the information regarding your product, payment, shipping, and also upload the product's condition, photos, and videos in this section. And after filling out all of the necessary information, go to all the way to bottom and then tap to list it. And after doing these very easy steps, you can very easily place your products in eBay. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.